Today we're going to be exploring colours that look good with beige trousers. After my previous video, colours that look good with grey trousers, you can go watch that if you already haven't. I decided to make this into a little miniature series, so if there are any other colours or combinations etc that you'd like me to cover, drop a comment down below, and if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with future content. We're going to be starting off today with a very obvious colour, white. It pretty much looks good with everything. White trainers, beige trousers, white t-shirt. It's perfect for that spring, summertime. It offers a more casual take on a relatively smart outfit. Can be worn for many occasions. It looks quite fresh. It's very versatile. So I just thought I would start with white. And they do offer a relatively light, subtle touch, what is perfect for this time of the year. And at the very end of this video, I'm going to show you my absolute favourite, so make sure you stick around to catch it. So starting off with a pastel pink. So pastel colours generally help to enhance the warmth of beige. There's obviously not much contrast between the different items, but it flows really nicely. It's perfect for spring and summer. It offers that casual take on a relatively smart outfit. So yeah, first colour, pastel pink. So moving on to my next pastel colour, a mint green. Again, there's not really going to be much contrast with this outfit, so if you're the type of person who's not really looking to stand out but you want to wear something that's quite well put together, the colours do complement each other. It looks like you've put a little bit of thought into your outfit, then this will be absolutely perfect for you. Again, I'm wearing trainers with this look because I think the lighter pastel colours definitely go better with a more casual kind of vibe. So we're not looking to put a belt on or a pair of shoes. This is a nice simple casual take for a spring summer outfit that again I personally think looks quite nice. Right, so moving on to grey and beige, a lighter tone of grey. This is a really lovely colour combination. Grey pairs so nicely with beige. This can be utilised as a little bit of a smarter look, but again, I'm going with the trainers. I'm keeping it casual. I think this looks really lovely. It's a very kind of common colour combination. It's relatively obvious that these are gonna look well together. I think this one is absolutely lovely. So yeah, grey and beige. So moving on to a sky blue. So as you can see, we're starting to get a little bit more contrast between the trousers and the t-shirt now. Again, this colour is still relatively light. It's very kind of spring and summery, but it just looks a little bit different to those really lighter pastel colours. I again think this looks really nice. If you've seen a load of my shorts, you will know that I am a big fan of blue, specifically when they get a little bit darker, a little bit bolder, but I think this works really nice. It's a great kind of summery vibe, spring vibe. So yeah, sky blue is a lovely colour that definitely pairs well with beige. So moving on to an olive green. Now this is probably my second favourite combination in this video as a whole. I think they just work really well. The green contrasts relatively nicely with the trousers. There's not too much in it, which is why I opted for putting the belt on just to break it up and added the shoes. This is a little bit more of a smarter look, something I would feel probably more comfortable going to a restaurant or on a date in as opposed to the other outfits. But yeah, olive green and beige, in my opinion, remember, this is all my opinion. This is not me saying this is a fact. All of these are amazing. Everything else is trash. This is just me saying these look really good. I think they would look good if you paired them too. So I wanted to come on here and show you guys some colours that I think look great with beige. So moving on to a burgundy, red wine, darkish red, whatever you want to kind of label this colour as. Again, contrasts really nicely with the bottoms. We're going for those darker tones. The belt and the shoes make this for a more smarter look. I personally think this colour combination does start edging towards a little bit more smart, but it's still quite casual because we are just pairing a t-shirt with trousers. We're not going all out and wearing a full long sleeve shirt, which is why I think this is great for kind of bridging the gap between smart and casual, but also it's perfect for when it's hotter, there's those warmer nights, maybe you're on holiday or it is summertime and you don't want to be wearing a full-on long sleeve shirt and getting quite warm. So yeah, red wine, beige trousers, brown shoes, brown belt. Okay, come on guys, we all knew this was coming. Black and beige is such an epic colour combination, and again, I just feel like the darker the tones start getting with these looks, the smarter they actually appear. That might just be me, so if you do agree with me, drop a comment down below and let me know. So yeah, black and beige, Lovely colour combo, perfect for date night, meals out, whatever that may be. And last but definitely not least, my favourite, this shade of blue. I couldn't tell you specifically what it is, but there's just something about this combination that I really, really like. And remember, this is just my opinion. Some of you may agree, some of you may strongly disagree, and that is the kind of fun thing about fashion. And one thing that I've noticed is that a lot of people will comment on some of my posts saying, that's not a trend anymore, that's not a trend. I don't specifically follow trends. If you've noticed and you look through my shorts, I wear a lot of different outfits, some tighter fits, some looser fits. I don't get stuck in thinking I need to wear what other people think is cool. I just wear what I like, what I enjoy. I post it on here. People will like it, people won't like it. That is the joy of it. I just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of an insight into what colours could look well with one another, and you can decide what type of clothes you wear, how loose fitting they are, whether you want to buy designer brands or that sort of stuff. I'm just here to show you mainly just different styles and kind of versatilities in terms of colours and textures. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you did make it this far, remember, like, subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on my next video.